So continuing our walk through the field, a field of flowers. Look at these lovely clover, pink clover amidst the buttercups there. And of course the bees love the clover. There's a lovely bee taking its fill. But coming across to the hedgerows, just have a look at these dog roses. They're absolutely stunning. So coming out quite early because unusually we've had some lovely sunshine in the UK. Everything blossoms under the sunshine, even Freddie as he races around. Those lovely dark coloured ones. Freddie's going to be a bit worn out tonight, I think, which is all good. There, now look at those, aren't they beautiful? Almost like silk when you look at them, with the yellow centres. Absolutely gorgeous. Deep pinks, mauves, magentas. And then coming along this branch, coming out into the field. Wow, be lovely to take that home, wouldn't it? Plant it in the garden. But no, keep it in the wild state that it should be. What could be better? Just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Here's some more dog roses. Paler pink. Gorgeous colour. So, pink for love. Also magenta. Well, all colours for love, aren't they? Love and light to everyone. I hope you enjoy looking at these beautiful flowers in the wild, in its natural state. Blessings, Jerry.